So guys, if you check, this is nothing but my business report. In the business report, what happened? Business come up with the requirement. They want to print whatever the attached document. I will show you that document file as well in the live. Okay, where it is? Not this one. Okay, where exactly it is? Not this one. This one. Not this one. Where it is? Okay, I think I need to go to this procurement. In the procurement blanket agreement, okay, in this blanket agreement, what happened? I need to navigate to this manage agreement, and manage agreement, I want to check the specific order. Okay, so I'll select this blanket order number. This blanket order number, I will just paste it. Why it is not copied? Okay, I'll copy from this screen. Okay, so what happened? I'm just entering my agreement number. I'm using the user same correct user or what? Not this one. What happened? I'll just search the last week. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, if you check, this is my agreement. I will open this agreement. Okay, if you remember in the slide, I have provided the screenshot. The screenshot is nothing but the same agreement. So this is the agreement. Agreement is nothing but the blanket purchase order. So what happened? Business creating any transaction, right? With respect to the supplier, I'm creating a supplier, Middle East supplier, and based on this supplier, what happened? I'm attaching some document. Where I'm attaching this document? In the notes and attachment window, I'm attaching a document. Okay. So if you check in the attachment level, I'm selecting this attachment. It will download the one file which is text file. So this file, if you check, you cannot directly print this text file using a normal BIP data set. Whatever data set you are creating, those are the normal data set where you are defining the queries and everything. So in the query level, you can, how you, just let me know how you can write a query to access this attachment file. There is no logic in the SQL level, right, to get this attachment file data. So what happened? Oracle provided one functionality. You can design one content server data set. So what happened? At the time of clicking on the plus data sets button, I can select the content server. In the content server, what happened? I have to provide all these names and everything. Data source name I have to select. By default, it is FA UCM provisioned, but I have created this data set as well, custom data set. And parent group and everything, whatever the group is there, you can select it based on the group, whatever you need. I have selected the document ID. This document ID is nothing but my document, which is a UCM ID. I'm providing over here, and then I'm linking with that data set. So if you check over here, this is content server data set. Okay, it is directly linked based on these whatever the fields I have provided. Okay. So what happened when I run the report based on this document ID, it will fetch the document related information. So I will just run the report so we'll get a better clarity. So if you check over here, again I have this document in my last earlier data set. So based on this document, what happened? I have just getting the document related information by using the content server. So if you check this same file, I'm having same data I'm having in this text file. Okay. The contracts and everything. Right. So what happened? Oracle provided kind of functionality where you can attach a document at the transaction level, and from the transaction level, whatever the transaction level attachment document, you can print it into your reporting level. So those kind of business need, UCM come into the picture. Okay, I will give you one more other example. If you have an HR system, okay, so in HR, I'm having 100 employee. With 100 employee, I'm having 100 passport size photos. Okay, so all the passport size photo, when I'm running any, let's say for one employee, I'm running my, what we can say, pay slip. At the time of running the pay slip, I need to print my passport size photo in the payslip file, right? So at that time, I can use this content server logic. So this is a need of content server, how to access the UCM in the reporting level and how to access the UCM data as per your business needs. Okay, so okay, this is a file. Okay, this is only file. Okay, and the other things I told you, that CS file, right? The link, and after that you have to print it over here. The rest of the things, let's say I will just remove it first time. If I'm coming over here, the first screen, the web content server, I told you, right? The earlier version, it is calling Oracle Web Center content. So in the content server, you can see this first screen. You can search whatever your content is there. Over here, you can provide the criteria. You can provide your ID, and based on the ID, you can search the documents. So I'm selecting the result over here, the latest, whatever the data I'm uploading, the content level, content server level, it will show over here. So click on the search. Yeah, I think it is refreshing. Yeah, if you check over here, it will provide all the list of files you uploaded. And there is one limitation. I'm not sure how many days, but it store means it will show you in the front end side only last 15 or 20 days data only. But yeah, if you have specific ID, you can search it with respect to the criteria. If you check pass over here ID, you can search it those criteria. If you check over here, those are the different files I have uploaded on the 25th and everything. I can download those files as well. I have to just click on this ID. So whatever data is there, it will be automatically downloaded. So I have this zip file. Okay, why it is not downloaded? Sometimes it is taking time. Let's click one more time. Yeah, if you check, the UCM file is downloaded successfully. So this is the UI screen. You can access the UCM server, and other way also from the navigator level. So okay, let me go to the navigator. The instance expired. In the navigator panel, you have to just navigate to the tools. In the tools level, there is a file import and export. Okay, you have to click on the file import and export, the same slide I have provided in my presentations. So over here you can check your UCM content. Let's say you are uploading a data migration. Yeah, the one more point I just want to highlight over here. Let's say sometime what time you are performing a data migrations, right? So you don't know where the file is stored or where it is located. So you can come over here. Let's say I'm running. I have uploaded many data for my one component. I will show you over here. Give me a minute over here. Maintenance work definitions over here. Okay, so in the I'm navigating over here. Where? Yeah, if you check over here, maintenance work definition, I have uploaded a few data the last time, so I will just search it. If you check over here, the below side, I'm the Oracle UCM listed out all the files over here with respect to my component work definition. So I have uploaded all these files during all these dates. I will provide the content over here. So if you don't know where I am uploading, when I have uploaded the file, or when I have uploaded this kind of content and who is using those files, you can directly come over here. You can check with respect to your component. You can get the data. Let's say I'm having other item related component also. So let's check over here item. I think we get some data. Okay, I think this is the item only. No, W work definition, I think it's definition. Yeah, these are the item related data. So what happened, and the data migration team also performing some data upload activity and everything. So they want to access where it is data is stored. So those are the data we can check from here, UI screen also. So these are the two ways which which I have listed in the presentation. From this file import and export level, also you can check the data, and from the UI screen you can enter it over the CS file, and you can check the file as well over here. Yeah, these are the we can say. Okay, one more point I just want to highlight. I told you that the visual file, right? So the visual file I have provided in the presentation, the same link you have to paste in the browser level. Once you click on OK, you can click OK. At the time it will provide all the visual related functions and attributes and everything. You can list it out over here, and all these fields you can use it in your integration designing time. So based on your integration requirement, let's say you want to access some content from the content server. Let's say you are designing any third-party application. In the third-party application, you want to access fusion-related content server data. You can use the web services, and you can get data using the web services. So that's it from my side. Let me know if you have any question related the UCM. That's it from my side.